Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to test if a value is an array. So we're using the REPL.it project that we've had in the past videos. If you haven't been following along, I recommend going back to the original video. But anyways, here we're going to assert that is array or is not an array to make the test pass. So if you click back over to our project, oh wow, it's sort of reset on me. Okay, cool. So I'm scrolling down, I'm on line, it looks like 112, line 112. And so it's in between these dash marks that they put here quite conveniently. So here we have a winter months array, which is just an array of 1, 2, 3, 4 values with 4 different strings inside of it. Here we have backend languages as well. And so now we have a suite of arrays where we do the function. And now we're testing, is this an array.split? Is this an array.split? This is a string and we're splitting it. Well, we know if we split a string that has no, actually I don't even know what happens if you, so I'm coming over here, I'm pressing Control C to exit the terminal, maybe, yeah, Control C. And so now I'm just gonna type in node and this will give me this sort of an idea. And so now what happens if I say, is this an array? Copy this and put it into our REPL. Okay, so we're splitting it based on, so no spaces. So we're just basically splitting each one. So yes, this is an array. So what we want to say, this assert is array. So yeah, this here evaluates to an array. And the second parameter is simply the message that comes up if we make a mistake here. So yeah. Anyways, here we're asserting a fail, which a fail is just always going to fail. We don't want our tests to fail right now. And so here we have an array, but we have the index of at position 2. Now, if I bring this over to our REPL, we're going to see that that's just an integer. And so is this an array? No, it's not. So we want to say is not an array. And is not array. So yeah. We can run the terminal we can run it right now just to see if it would work. I don't think that it would work right now. If we were to pass it in here, I think this will tell us that we failed the tests. And so what we need to do now is we want to come back over to REPL.it and then we can either click run, or clicking run's totally fine, or we can come back to our terminal, press Control C twice. That'll cut us out of the node REPL environment, and then we can go npm start. And that will restart our servers with our new code in it, with our is not an array and is an array code. And so if I scroll up here, you'll see that we actually have it's showing that our tests are passing here. And so now what we can do is just take this URL and paste it into here. It's actually the same one. I don't need to paste it in because I did it earlier to show that it would fail. And so now it should pass. Awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next lesson.